It's season centennial for the NCAA. Yes, you heard that correctly. A very tight matchup for their season opener as the Mapua Cardinals, last year's runner-ups, take on the College of St. Benilde Blazers. A great fight between both schools from the beginning until the end, pero sa huli, St. Benilde will take the win, 65-78. This makes the Blazers record 1-0, while the Cardinals will start with 0-1. For the box scores, in the first quarter, mainit agad ang pagbati ng Mapua sa College of St. Benilde, 21-14. In the second quarter, bumawi ang St. Benilde, 18-16. In the third quarter, 23-18. And in the fourth quarter, tuluyan ng lumayo ang College of St. Benilde, 23-10. For the St. Benilde Blazers, Allen Liwag led the way with 23 points, followed by Cometa with 17, Inot with 9, Ancheta with 9, Sanchez with 6, Sanko with 4, Eusebio with 3, Morales 3, Kahukom 2, Torres 2. For the Mapua Cardinals, Clint Escamis led the way with 16 points, Cuenco with 9, Manggubat with 9, Hubilia with 9, Habonete with 5, Agamenyi with 5, Ryan with 4, Fermin with 4, Igliane with 2, Abdullah with 2. Mapua was leading all the way until the fourth quarter came. Parang nag-collapse sila and medyo nahirapan sila offensively and mas naging effective yung defensive side ng College of St. Benilde. But either way, it was a great matchup.